that are similar about it. So first of all, we use the same triangle. So this is another non-right angle triangle. So we have A, B, and C, A, B, and C. And let's say we wanted to find side C, right?
Yeah.
Then we would use the cosine rule, which is C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. Does this look familiar?
Yeah.
So that's Pythagoras, but the bit that makes it different is we go minus 2AB cos C. Where C is the opposite angle.
Yeah.
So how many sides do I have in this formula? How many sides have I used?
3 sides.
3 sides. And how many angles have I used?
You've used 1 angle.
1 angle. Perfect. So with the sine rule, I use 2 sides and 2 angles, and I don't know one of them. But with the
Yeah.
cosine rule, I use 3 sides and 1 angle, and I don't know one of them.
Yeah.
So this, if I use this formula, I can find a side, right? I can find that side there. An important thing is at the very end, I have to square root, just like I do with Pythagoras. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
But what if I wanted to find the angle C, that angle there? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this formula to find my angle C. So first of all, I'm going to minus A squared and B squared. So I get C squared minus A squared minus B squared equals to negative 2AB cos C. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to divide by this. So then I get cos C equals to C squared minus A squared minus B squared all over negative 2AB. And if I want to get rid of that negative, that's going to become cos C equals to A squared plus B squared minus C squared. So I've just made everything on the top negative and flipped all the signs, all over 2AB. So I don't need, so does everything here make sense, all these steps? So I've subtracted my A squared and B squared, and then I've divided by minus 2AB. And then I want to get rid of the negative on the bottom. So what I've done is I've subtracted I've switched all the signs on the top, right? So I brought the negative to the top.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't need any of that. That's just working out. All you need is this formula and this formula. And I'll get you to write these down on your sheet.